My dear students, we are going to the chapter-wise concept. The chapter is trigonometry. The topic is transformations. Now we are going to the questions. The question is cos square alpha minus 45 degrees plus cos square alpha plus 15 degrees minus cos square alpha minus 15 degrees is equal to the first option 1, second option 1 by 2, third option 2 and fourth option 1 by 3. Now we have to identify the value of this expression. Now solution for this question. The solution, take that cos square alpha minus 45 degrees plus cos square alpha minus plus 15 degrees minus cos square alpha minus 15 degrees. Actually we know the formula. We know that cos square b minus cos square a is equal to sin a plus b into sin a minus b. That's why the product of sine expansions in terms of cos, that is cos square b minus cos square a. So in terms of sine, that is sine square a minus sine square b. Now we have to use this formula. This is taken as b, this part is taken as b, this part is taken as a. Now we have to use the formula cos square b minus cos square a is nothing but cos sine a plus b into sine a minus b. And one more formula we have to write, that is cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta whole by 2. For this we have to write this formula, cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta whole by 2. So this part taken as theta, this part taken as theta. That's why by using these formulae we have to write. By using these formula, we have to write this can be right 1 plus, this can be right 1 plus cos 2 times of alpha minus 45 whole by 2 times of, according to this formula, first one we have to write according to this formula, cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta whole by 2 in place of theta alpha minus 45 degrees. Now plus here this can be right, this is taken as b, this is taken as a, then according to this formula, that is sine of a plus b, that means alpha minus 15 plus alpha plus 15 into sine a minus b, this one minus this one, that is alpha minus 15 minus alpha minus 15. Since minus of plus alpha plus 15 is minus alpha minus 15 degrees. That's all. Now this can be split into two terms. Here it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos. So 2 multiply with here 2 alpha minus 90 degrees plus here 15 degrees gets cancelled, then it is sine 2 alpha. Here it is alpha gets cancelled, it is sine minus 30 degrees. Sine minus 30 degrees. Now from this, here it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos. We know that actually cos a minus b is nothing but cos b minus a. Since cos negative is positive, that's why instead of cos 2 alpha minus 90, we have to write cos 90 minus 2 alpha. So there is no change in the result. No problem. Since cos a minus b is equal to cos b minus a. Plus sine 2 alpha into sine minus 30 is minus sine 30, that is minus 1 by 2. That's all. Now from this we have to write here it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 90 minus 2 alpha is sine 2 alpha, and here it is minus 1 by 2 sine 2 alpha. That's why these two gets cancelled. Now answer is 1 by 2, that is in second option. That's all. Now, so that is the required result, that is second option, answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Now we are going to one more question, depends upon this concept. Now observe the question, that is cos a plus cos b whole by sin a minus sin b whole power n plus sin a plus sin b whole by cos a minus cos b whole power n is equal to dash. For n is odd, where n is odd, then first option -1, second option 0, third option 1, and fourth option 2 cot power n into a minus b by 2. Now we have to solve this question. Now solution for this question, that is, observe. So we have to take the expression and apply the formula, that is cos c plus cos d and sin c plus sin d, cos c minus cos d and sin c minus sin d. So by using these applications we have to do this question. Now that is, to take the expression, that is cos a plus cos b by sin a minus sin b power n plus sin a plus sin b by cos a minus cos b power n. Now, so we have to write this is cos c plus cos d formula, 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 whole by, here it is 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2 plus, here it is 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 whole by, here it is minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. It is whole power n, here also power n. That's all. Now observe, here 2 gets cancelled and cos a plus b by 2 cos a plus b by 2 gets cancelled. Here also 2 gets cancelled. Sin a plus b by 2 sin a plus b by 2 gets cancelled. Now cos by sin is cot a minus b by 2 power n plus, here it is minus cos by sin is minus cot a minus b by 2 whole power n, where n is odd. Here n is odd, that means odd number taken as 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, like this. So if n is odd, then it is minus. For n is odd, then it is cot power n into a minus b by 2. For n is odd, if n is odd, minus power odd is minus, negative power odd is negative. That's why minus cot power n into a minus b by 2. Now these two gets cancelled. Answer is 0. That's why, so second option is right answer for this question. If n is odd, second option is right answer. Answer is 0. Now we are going to next question, depends upon this concept. Now the next question, that is cos a plus cos b by sin a minus sin b whole power n plus cos a sin a plus sin b by cos a minus cos b whole power n is equal to dash. For n is even. So this is in previous question, if n is odd, here it is n is even. Now the first option -1, second option 0, third option 1 and fourth option 2 cot power n minus 2 cot power n into a minus b by 2. 2 cot power n of a minus b by 2. Now same, similar to the previous question, we have to apply the 4 forms. Here all gets cancelled. Here it is cot a minus b by 2 power n minus cot a minus b by 2 power n. Here n is even. If n is even, so for n is even, even power negative is positive, even power minus is positive. That's why cot power n into a minus b by 2, cot power n into a minus b by 2, 2 times of cot power n into a minus b by 2. That's all. 2 times of cot power n into a minus b by 2. That is in fourth option. That's all. So you observe the clear difference between the previous question and this question. If n is odd, the result is 0. If n is even, then it is 2 times of cot power n into a minus b by 2. Suppose in place of n, there it is 2019. If in place of n, suppose that it is 2019, then answer is 0, since 2019 is odd number. In place of n 2020, then answer is 2 times of cot power 2020 a minus b by 2, since 2020 is even. Okay, that's all. Now the question, that is, suppose that alpha minus beta is not an odd multiple of pi by 2. N belongs to r minus 0 to minus 1, 0 and minus 1, and sine alpha plus beta by cos alpha minus beta is equal to 1 minus m by 1 plus m. Then m cot pi by 4 minus beta is equal to, now the first option tan pi by 4 plus alpha, second option tan pi by 4 minus alpha, and third option cot pi by 4 plus alpha, fourth option cot pi by 4 minus alpha. Now we have to solve this question. So solution for this question, here take the expression that is take the equation that is sine alpha plus beta by cos alpha minus beta is equal to 1 minus m by 1 plus m. So by using a component and dividend form, we have to do this question. So the formula for component and dividend form, component and dividend form, component and dividend form, component and dividend form. What is that? If x by y is equal to a by b, then x plus y by x minus y is equal to a plus b by a minus b. So component and dividend form, here it is, component and dividend form, that is, if x by y is equal to a by b, then x plus y by x minus y is equal to a plus b by a minus b, or we have to write reciprocal, x minus y by x plus y is equal to a minus b by a plus b, no problem. Or y plus x by y minus x is equal to b plus a by b minus a, like that. So according to that, we have to write, here it is, sine alpha plus beta plus cos alpha minus beta by sine alpha plus beta minus cos alpha minus beta, that is equal to 1 minus m plus 1 plus m by 1 minus m minus 1 minus m. That means here this will comparing with, here this will comparing with. So sine a plus b by cos a minus b is nothing but x by 1. Here 1 minus m by 1 plus m is nothing but a by b. That's why according to that, sine a plus b plus cos a minus b by sine a plus b minus cos a minus b is equal to 1 minus m plus 1 plus m by 1 minus m minus 1 by minus 1 minus m. That's why from this we have to write, this is, simplify this. Actually, we know the formula from transformations, sin c plus sin d or sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d or cos c minus cos d. But here it is, one function is sin, one function is cos. Now this can be converted into cos. That is cos of, how to write this one, 90 minus, that means that is pi by 2 minus of alpha plus beta, or pi by 2 minus of pi by 2 minus alpha minus beta plus cos alpha minus beta whole by, in denominator, here also we have to write cos pi by 2 minus alpha minus beta minus cos alpha minus beta. That means this can be converted into cos c minus cos d, cos c plus cos d and cos c minus cos d. So both we can transfer into same functions. That means cos c minus cos d or cos c plus cos d. We know the forms cos c plus cos d and cos c minus cos d. That's why here m gets cancelled. This is 2, 1 plus 1. Here it is 1 gets cancelled. It is minus 2m. That's all. Now we have to simplify this. Now we have to write the next step according to this formula. Cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2, sin C minus D by 2. So that's why this is taken as a C, this is taken as D. Same. So in numerator we have to apply cos C plus cos D. In denominator we have to apply cos C minus cos D. Here 2 gets cancelled, minus 1 will make. Now we are going to the next step. According to cos C plus cos D, the numerator is 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. Denominator cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2, sin C minus D by 2. That's why here it is 1 by m. Here 2 gets cancelled. Now observe here. So minus of, here cos by sin is cot. So both are same here. That's why here alpha gets cancelled. Here also alpha gets cancelled. That's why pi by 2 minus 2 beta by 2. Pi by 2 minus 2 beta by 2 is nothing but pi by 4 minus beta. Pi by 4 minus beta. Now again here also cos by sin is cot. Now here it is beta gets cancelled. Both the numerator and denominator beta gets cancelled. That's why pi by 2 minus 2 alpha by 2, that is pi by 4 minus alpha, that is 1 by m. That's all. Now from this we have to write, this is actually here minus 1 by m, since 2 by minus m is minus 2 by minus 2m is minus 1 by m. That's why, so both sides minus gets cancelled. Now we could watch m cot pi by 4 minus beta. That's why this can be right. Cot pi by 4 minus beta. Yeah, this can be right 1 by tan. So cot can be right 1 by tan. That's why 1 by tan pi by 4 minus alpha is equal to 1 by m. After getting cancelled, minus on both sides. Now apply cross multiplication. So from cross multiplication we get m cot pi by 4 minus beta is equal to tan pi by 4 minus alpha. That's why the answer is tan pi by 4 minus alpha, that is second option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question, depends upon this concept. Now we are going to the similar question, that is if m sin b is equal to n sin 2a plus b, then m minus n tan a plus b is equal to, now the first option m plus n tan a, second option m plus n cot a, m plus n cot a, and third option m plus n tan 2a plus b, and the fourth option m plus n tan b. Now solve. Same, according to component and dividend form. You know component and dividend form, what is that? If x by y is equal to a by b, then x plus y by x minus y is equal to a plus b by a minus b. That's all. That is the component and dividend form. This is the most useful formula for solving in case of difficulty level questions also. We have to solve in easy way by using this component and dividend form. So once revised the formula, if x by y is equal to a by b, then x plus y by x minus y is equal to a plus b by a minus b, according to that form. So first to take the relation, that is n sin b is equal to n sin 2a plus b. That's all. Now from this, m by n is equal to sin 2a plus b by sin b. Now we have to apply the formula. What is that? If x by y is equal to a by b, then x plus y by x minus y is equal to a plus b by a minus b. That's all. Now from this form we have to write here, that is m plus n by m minus n is equal to sin 2a plus b plus sin b by sin 2a plus b minus sin b. Okay. Now, so observe, this is depends upon the formula sin c plus sin d and sin c minus sin d. We know that sin C plus sin D and sin C minus sin D. By using these forms, sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. According to these forms, we have to write here it is 2 sin C plus D by 2. That is 2a plus b plus b 2b by 2 and cos 2a plus b minus b 2a plus b minus b by 2 whole by in denominator sin C minus sin D, that is 2 cos 2a plus b plus b, that is 2b 2a plus 2b by 2. Same here, it is sin, here it is 2a plus b minus b by 2. That's all. Now we have to simplify this. So m plus n by m minus n is equal to, here 2 gets cancelled, sin by cos is tan, here 2a plus 2b by 2 is nothing but a plus b, and here it is cos by sin is cot. That's why here bb gets cancelled, 2a by 2 is a. That's all. Now from this we have to write m plus n by m minus n is equal to tan a plus b by tan a plus b by, in denominator, that is cot a. Cot a we have to write 1 by tan a. That's why it is in denominator. Now apply cross multiplication, then m minus n tan a plus b is equal to m plus n tan a. M plus n tan a. M minus n tan a plus b is m plus n tan a. That is in first option. That's all. Now the answer is m plus n tan a. That's why this component and dividend form is most useful formula. Even the questions were difficulty. Now we are going to practicing questions. Now you can practice these questions. Practicing questions. Now the first question, find sin square alpha minus 45 degrees plus sin square alpha plus 15 degrees minus sin square alpha minus 15 degrees. So answer for that one is 1 by 2. This is similar to the first question in this class. Now find the next question. Observe, if the power is odd, then answer is 0. If power is even, here it is 2021 odd, that's why it is 0. Now 2020 it is even, that's why it is 2 times of cot power 2020 a minus b by 2. Since if power n, since here it is n already in the previous question, if n is odd then it is 0, otherwise it is. So this one, for this one you can use component and dividend forms. So use these questions. So this is the answer. Okay. Bye.